Morning. So guys, we're going to do a room tour. So this is gonna be a room tour. This is not our room, but it's the same thing. So when you enter a room, I think this is just a deluxe room. That's what we booked. So when you enter, on your left is going to be your washroom. So I think the difference between the premier room and the deluxe room is just what they call this one? Bathtub. We don't need a bathtub. So there's a sink, there's a nice space here. This is where you poop. There's the bidet. I don't know, like bidet is not really it's not really a must in Canada. But yeah, there's a rain shower, which is really nice. So when you enter the room, on your right there's a safe, there's like an open shelving, there's a body length mirror, and their configuration is like one single bed and one queen size bed. So
we have full towel cards.
Yeah. I don't have any. And then there's like a working area or for breakfast. And overall, I would say it's not really a big room compared to Cancun rooms, but it's decent. There's a flat screen TV, there's another mirror here, there's a working station here. You're supposed to work here.
It's so cold.
It's cold.
Yeah.
And this is the outside. My camera is fogging, like because of humidity. So this is another room. Oh my god. Akong camera kay gakuan gid siya. That one. So like hot and cold, just so yeah. It's basically my room tour. It's only 2 minutes. So they have this mood lighting. There's like a reading light there. There's another floor lamp here. And it's AC, so it's good. And hindi pa sila kontento, guys. They have their own Wi-Fi. And actually, there's a fridge here, but nothing's on it. So there's glass, there's cups for coffee, there's coffee here. The only thing I didn't see is you know yung nila, like slipper? They don't have slippers? They don't have slipper. So, the only thing. But they have umbrellas as well. And so, we're going back to the washroom. They come with amenities. So there's cotton buds, there's shower cap, there's there's a shaving kit, there's a dental kit, there's this moisturizing lotion. I love this pearl thing. And that's their shampoo and conditioner. Actually, their shampoo smells good. But yeah, I think this is just going to be my room tour. So guys, if you are still watching up to this point, thank you so much, and we'll see you on my next Boracay vlog.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to click that notification bell button so you're gonna be updated with my future Canadian life and travel vlogs. Peace out.